My name is Raji. I opted for IELTS coaching from Y-Axis. My training was impressive. My coach was Paromita Ma. She was extremely talented and supportive throughout the course. She explained us each and every segment of the exam and trained us in an efficient way. Her classes were very interactive and she made sure that we understand clearly on the topics for every sentence. She pays attention towards all our queries and clarifies our doubts precisely. She gives assignments and mock tests from LMS portal. And she even points out to the minuscule details and blunders we do and corrects us with her expert advice. Having said about LMS, it is a wonderful training platform one can leverage for their practice. It has plenty of materials like theories, tests, assignments, and quizzes. Furthermore, you have an energetic coaching support team. They give you prompt response towards your queries and tickets regarding LMS portal or the sessions on your coaching. On the whole, I would definitely recommend this coaching for my friends and families to train and get through your competitive exams.